Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel Mr. Tech Tips. In today's video I will show you how to remove a bot from Telegram. So there is multiple ways to remove bots from Telegram. First thing, we should go to Telegram, and the first thing, if you are using the bot in a personal conversation, so it's only between you and the bot, you have just to go. For example, the bot I'm talking about is the Lair Weather for me. Long press on it. After that, go and click on delete. And as you can see here, you will have delete and block, clear chat history, or cancel. So it depends on what do you want to do exactly. But if you want to eliminate that bot, definitely, you have to click on delete and block. And the second thing is that if you want to remove that bot from a group, so let's go and take the username of the bot. And after that, we go to that group. And after that, I will add that bot to my group. So this is the Lair bot, done. It's added to my group. So now in my group, I have a bot. So to eliminate or to delete or to remove that bot from my group, I have just to click on the profile picture of the group on the top right of the screen. And after that, I go to the bot and swipe left. And as you can see, this bot is eliminated. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.